Assalamu alaikum viewers and good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am fine and I hope my others are also fine, doing well and good condition in health. I am also perfect and thanks to my Allah for everything. I also pray for you to Allah Almighty, so Allah give you more healthy, wealthy life, successful life and happy life. And please viewers, you also pray for me. I hope you are waiting my latest videos. So girls, the wait is over. Today bring some special beautiful crochet doll free ideas, beautiful amigurumi toys, different ideas, mind-blowing pattern, fabulous crocheting work and beautiful handmade knitting pattern. Very nice. Hopefully like this. Follow my channel, press the bell icon. After clicking the bell icon, you will get the notification all of my videos and latest ideas about crocheting work. And you can see almost 40 plus images in this video of beautiful crochet amigurumi doll free ideas, most demanding collection, most likely collection. Follow my channel, press the bell icon. After clicking the bell icon, you will get the notification all of my videos and latest ideas about crochet work. Very nice. Like and share my video with your family, friends, sweet cousins, neighbors and your colleagues. Press the bell icon. And good queen, pin queen section. You can ask me in queen section what do you want next more about crochet collection. Very nice. Hopefully like this. If you want more collection about crochet, so please visit my channel. The logo is in front of you. Okay viewers, now I have to go. See you again with next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Take care viewers. Bye bye and please pray for me. Allah Hafiz. Have a nice day. Goodbye viewers.